Lami kayo! Filipinos, man. Magandang umaga, good morning my friend, and welcome to the birthplace of Christianity here in the Philippines. This is Cebu City, and in 1521 Ferdinand Magellan came here, spread his religion and claimed this country as a territory of Spain. The story starts here. This is Magellan's cross, and it is a Christian cross that was erected or planted by the Spanish and Portuguese explorers when they first arrived to Cebu, and it commemorates the baptism of Raja Humabon, who was a chief at the time of Cebu. And I'll throw up a photo of this dude so you can see the type of culture that existed before Mr. Magellan and his friends arrived. But you can see in here is a depiction of that baptism and yeah, the cross right there. I have just teleported over to Fort San Pedro, the oldest and the smallest fort built by the Spanish to defend against invaders. And the colonization in this country is very, very, very interesting. The Spanish were here for over 330 years. The Americans were here for around 50 years. The Japanese occupied it. And of course, all of these things have a big impact on the culture and the people. Hello. Filipinos, man. The truth is, the history of the Philippines started long before Mr. Magellan and Christianity arrived here. Cebu was a thriving hub of culture and trade. And before Christianity, the Philippines practiced animism and polytheism, much like the ancient Greeks and Egyptians. So they would worship, the sun, the moon, the stars. They would believe in or had beliefs in deities or antio. It's cool, you can actually still see all of the cannons. But yeah, they would once look to the heavens and pray, for a good harvest year. There was a real deep and solid connection to the natural world. And them beliefs and traditions still do exist, but they're not prominent. They exist in folklore, natural medicine, and superstitious beliefs. However, Magellan was not successful in officially colonizing this beautiful country. He died the same year he arrived in the Battle of Mactan by Lapu-Lapu, who killed him, and that delayed the colonization for 44 more years. It's interesting to think about what this country and many other countries would have looked like today if it were not for colonization. Okay, this fort is actually very beautiful, I will say. Definitely worth checking out. But the sun is beating down on me. I forgot my blading hat, so I'm blading boiling. And yeah, I'm thirsty and hungry, so let's head to the market and see what we can find. Okay, so I made it to the market, but this is not a food market. Well, it is, but it's just fruits and vegetables. So I'm not going to be snacking on some raw okra or nothing like that. So I'm going to try find somewhere else to eat. Hello po. Pabili po buko. 50, okay. The area is bustling with life. You can see how busy it is. People just out and about trading their goods, buying stuff. Very cool. No straw, you just got to raw dog it, the way I like it. Many places in Asia I blend in, but not here, man. People don't really care that I'm here. Oh. But yeah, I don't blend in. Honestly, it is kind of chaotic, but I've been to places that are far, far more chaotic. You see we've got some priests right in front of us. But yeah, Philippines is so diverse, so diverse. And I don't know, my feelings like Cebu versus Manila. Cebu feels more like together. Manila feels very kind of segregated. Like you have Makati, I think is it, and then like you know, very big buildings, very wealthy, very rich area, and then right next to that you kind of have the slums. So it's like segregated. And Cebu feels almost like, to me, feels almost more together, more I like it. Different vibe altogether though. After spending enough time in this part of the world, your characteristics do kind of adapt. You walk the same way as the people, you learn how to cross the road the same way. And when I got back to the UK for the first time, that was the real culture shock. It was a reverse culture shock. But it is, of course, good to be back, wandering the markets, getting lost, having no direction. Hello, Paul. Do you have glass for iPhone 13?
13?
Yes.
Full or regular?
Just regular, I think. Damn, that was like 50 pesos, man. In Manila, I paid like 600 in the mall. It goes to show you, man, just come to where the majority of local people come. Okay, and we found the place to eat. Hello! Kamusta?
Good afternoon, kumusta?
Magandang hapon!
Happy Valentine's!
Ah, yes, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, what a nice place. You can see the style, very Japanese. It's like a really... What's the name of this place?
Mirai Kitchen.
How do you say it? Mirai.
Mirai.
Is your name?
Mirai is future.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay.
But maybe you're not future because you're going back.
Yeah, tomorrow I go, but I'm going to enjoy it. It looks so good. So
Yeah.
this is the kimchi,
Yeah.
the
Miso soup.
miso soup, and the vegetable.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I really like the design in here. You see the lanterns. I've not been to Japan, but all the videos I see, it's like, you know, you have the low seating and they also just gave me complimentary Japanese tofu and complimentary tea. So nice. The people in here are so nice. Like instantly welcomed, instantly greeted. So I'm going to enjoy. Let's go for the kimchi first. So if you don't know what kimchi is, it's basically, I think, fermented cabbage. Oh wow, that's so good. So much flavor in there. Really good. I don't know if kimchi is Korean or Japanese, but wow. Oh, look at that. I don't know how to say it. Very delicious, but very masarap. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's so good.
Thank you.
Really good. Like a 10 out of 10. Smoothie iced coffee topped with sweet whipped cream. Okay, I usually don't like, you know, all the very sweet drinks. But this is also, like the food, perfect. Oh, it's so like cozy. It's so cozy.
Yo, it's
You made a very cozy feel, like in the kitchen and out here.
Yes.
It's so nice.
Yeah. Small.
Really is like Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah, you even have the like section
The
here.
sink is just only one.
Oh, one sink. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, so good.
The corner is just for
For burners.
Yeah.
And does it ever get very busy?
Yeah.
Like really busy in here? Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Can you see I enjoyed?
Yes. Thank you.
Look at all.
So nice.
Yeah. How do you say like masarap, but like masarap? Lamin.
Very lami.
Lami is
Lamin, but that's Bisaya, right? Lamin. And but how do you say like
Lami.
lami? Lami. How do you say very delicious?
Lami kayo!
Lami kayo. Lami kayo. Okay. So they also have an upstairs. No way. Look at this. Look how cool this is. I have to proper like crouch. But this is, if you know in Japan, Korea, they eat very low. Oh, this is so cool. And I've been speaking to the owner for ages. Such an interesting like life story. She told me literally about like, you know, how she got this place, how it's her dream to have had this place. And her life is literally like a film, like a movie. Like you could do an incredible film or documentary or something on her life because so interesting.
Market, house, work. That's our daily routine.
Yeah. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Your
Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Domo arigato. Magandang hapon. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Ah man, such nice people. Yoo. Tip your drivers, man. These guys risk their lives driving on the road every day for not very much money. But I've arrived to IT Park and the line for the bus is crazy long, so I'm gonna get on another bike. Hello! Kamusta? You drive past me. After driving through the winding, beautiful roads of the countryside, you drive through, you see luscious green and then the stalls on the side of the road. But we've made it to our destination. And as you can see, it is a pretty elaborate and royal place. This is the Temple of Leah. Just wait till I show you the outside. Welcome to the Taj Mahal of Cebu. As you can see, it is absolutely huge. And clearly Roman themed. This is actually built, designed after the Pantheon in Rome. And it gets that name, the Taj Mahal of Cebu, because it was built for the builder's wife. As, yeah, it's not a temple, it's actually just a symbol of love and devotion. And inside is essentially a museum, very grand. But yes, a museum full of like the literature and pottery and just collections that they had, the builder and his wife had throughout their travels. Very cool little place. And the best part actually, not the best part, but an equally good part is the view. You can see over the whole skyline of Cebu, but that is a crazy, crazy building. There we go, check that out. All this luscious greenery and kind of hill. Hello. You wouldn't really say that, you know, just down there in the city in Cebu is like one of the biggest and busiest cities in the whole country. Up here you have a different feeling. You just have more peace. Still a little bit chaotic, but more peace. All right, my friend, I was gonna head up to Tops, another place, but the rain. So you know what, we're gonna enjoy the view from here. You can see the real Cebu skyline. Because of the weather, not gonna get a golden sunset, but you know what, that's okay. I have thoroughly enjoyed today and I've really enjoyed Cebu City. I think if you're thinking about visiting the Philippines, Cebu is a nice city to start your journey with. It's, in my opinion, less chaotic than Manila and yeah, I like it. Overall, I like it. Lots of history, lots of, you know, interesting people and food and yeah, all goodness. But yeah, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video and actually for this series on the Philippines. This will be the last video here in the Philippines. I fly to Thailand tomorrow. So, I hope you've enjoyed this series. I have thoroughly loved this country and its people. And yeah, I think my favorite country now, definitely up there. And I would love to come back. The Philippines is full of many different islands and places, so I'd love to come back to explore more, to reconnect with the people that I've met here and to meet new people. But thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I do hope you have enjoyed joining the adventure through Cebu City with me. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one.